Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss istishna and parallel istishna, two concepts in Islamic finance that are used to finance production and manufacturing. Let's take a look at a case study that took place in a construction company that used this concept but experienced some challenges. In a big city, there was a construction company called Buildrite that got a big project to build a modern office building. To fund this project, Buildrite works with an Islamic bank, Bank Sahabat, through an istishna contract. In this contract, Bank Sahabat acts as the buyer Mustasni and Buildrite as the producer Sani. Bank Sahabat and Buildrite agreed on a project value of 50 billion rupiah. However, to complete this project, Buildrite requires a number of building materials and services that must be ordered in advance. Therefore, Buildrite signed parallel istishna contracts with several building material suppliers and subcontractors. Initially, the project went according to plan. However, after 6 months, Buildrite began to experience problems as one of their main suppliers went bankrupt and was unable to deliver the building materials that had been ordered. This caused delays in the project schedule and increased operational costs. Buildrite faced a major problem as the delay in building materials brought the entire project to a standstill. Bank Sahabat is also worried as the project that was supposed to be completed within a year is now in danger of being delayed, which will impact their return on investment. The first step was for Buildrite to immediately inform Bank Sahabat of the issue. They explained the situation and its impact on the project schedule. Both parties realized that this delay could be detrimental to both parties if not addressed immediately. Bank Sahabat and Buildrite held a meeting to re-evaluate the parallel istishna contract with the bankrupt supplier. Buildrite was required to find an alternative supplier who could replace the role of the previous supplier immediately. Buildrite managed to find an alternative supplier who was able to provide the required building materials. They entered into negotiations with this new supplier to ensure that the materials could be delivered as quickly as possible at a price that was still reasonable. Buildrite then signed a new parallel istishna contract with the supplier. Bank Sahabat and Buildrite agreed to adjust their main istishna contract, including extending the project completion schedule. Bank Sahabat also agreed to add additional financing to cover extra costs due to delays and supplier changes. Both parties agreed to increase the frequency of monitoring and regular reporting. Buildrite is required to provide weekly reports on the progress of the project and any problems that may arise. Bank Sahabat also assigned a project manager to monitor directly in the field. This case demonstrates the importance of flexibility and communication in istishna and parallel istishna contracts. When facing unforeseen problems, good collaboration and coordination between all parties involved is essential to find effective solutions and maintain the smooth running of the project. That is the case study on istishna and parallel istishna. Hopefully, this narrative provides a clear picture of how to overcome problems in Sharia-based production financing. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.